Hi there, my name is Maddox Chandler here again. I'm in 6th grade, Miss Cayman's class, and I go to school at Oak Ridge Middle School. This is my airplane experiment on a pendulum device. Miss Cayman will remember this. And this will be representing the Quanda effect, Bernoulli's principle, and Newton's third law of motion. I will use a box fan to represent airflow, and the 0 mark on the yardstick will be at 21 inches. I will measure the distance the aircraft climbs on different fan settings. Right now the fan is off and our baseline is at 21 inches and the plane is not moving because there is no lift due to the fan not being on. Now let's turn the fan on and observe, if any, the lift of the aircraft. We're turning it on to the lowest setting. And if you can hear, the fan is on, and it looks like it has climbed about 1 inch above the baseline. Now let's turn the fan one setting more to medium, and let's observe any climb, if any climb. It looks like the plane has risen 1 more inch above the baseline. Now we are at 2 whole inches. Now we will turn the fan to the next highest setting, and that is going to be high. And we will observe the plane, the aircraft's lift. And it's rising. It seems to have risen to about 25 inches. There's tape covering the outside.
Straighten out the plane. Straighten out the plane on the plane. There you go. There you go. Hold up. Let it stabilize.
Stabilize. Okay. And it's risen to about 27 1/4 inches. That will be 6 1/4 inches above the baseline. In conclusion, the greater amount of airflow resulted in the greater amount of lift. Thank you.